Akwaba to everyone watching my channel today. If it's your first time here, my name is Cynthia and I upload cooking and fashion video on this platform. Thank you for stopping by and please sit through with me till the end of the video. Lovelies, how are you all doing? I hope you are all doing well and keeping safe. Today, I'm sharing with you my special delicious okra stew, which is simple and easy to make. If you follow the process through to the end, you'll be able to replicate this recipe without fail. The ingredients are mackerel and tilapia fish, assorted meat, which is a combination of oxtail, cow foot, cow skin, and cow tripe. I've also got blended marinade to cook the meat, fresh vegetables with locust beans or dawadawa, crab legs, and my homemade salted fish. Super cool from my previous video. And next in line is okra, garden eggs, spinach, and palm oil. I will use the marinade, which is a combination of onion, ginger and garlic to cook the meat. Please be aware that the meat is washed. I will cook it in the pressure cooker to make it soft. I will use some of the marinade to marinate the fish and set it aside. Now, I will proceed to chop the eggplant and some of the okra. If you want your okra slimy, you can blend it into a rough consistency or chop it into smaller bits. And if you are worried about your knife skills and you have a food processor, don't worry, just put it in the food processor and you are good to go. Depending on the food processor you are using, you can adjust it to your preferred cut. For the baby spinach, you could actually add the whole leaves, but I decided to shred mine into smaller pieces. I have here 10 plum tomatoes, onions, ginger, garlic and pepper, which I'm going to blend for the stew. I will also add rosemary, oregano and 1 maggi shrimp tablet. Our meat has been pressure cooked for 10 minutes, but I didn't vent it straight away. I left it to sit for about 10 minutes for it to naturally vent itself. And now it's soft and tender just the way I like it. I will cook the crab legs separately to prevent it from coming apart in the stew. I will also cook the eggplant partially. With the okra, I'm using the meat broth to cook it. I'm also adding shrimp powder and dried fish powder to intensify the flavor. To start the stew, I will pour my palm oil into the wok, allow it to melt and then add my homemade salted rohu fish. Super cool! Please watch my previous video to know how I made this salted fish. Just a little piece is enough to give you your 5 basic tastes, alongside sour, sweet, bitter and salty. That's the umami flavor. The next stage is to add my blended vegetables and leave it on a medium heat for about 7 minutes whilst I stir intermittently. At this point, you can see I'm multitasking as I'm cooking the crab legs separately from the main stew and also boiling the meat broth to cook the okra. It's time to add the marinated fish. Please ensure that it is submerged in the stew to soak up the goodness.
It tastes so sweet. Oh, yummy, yummy. I love it. Sis kitchen.
The meat broth has come to a boil, so I will go ahead and add the okra. Leave it on a medium heat to cook for about 5 minutes.
Let's go. Yummy, yummy. Music. Let's go. Yeah. Take me to Sis kitchen. Sweet aroma. Sweet salad. This food is delicious.
At this stage, I will introduce my shrimp powder and dry powdered fish to wake up the flavors.
Delicious. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. This food is yummy, yummy. Yeah. Yummy, yummy. Sis kitchen, yeah. So sweet. Ipagani papa, ifana menyano. Sis kitchen. Ipagani yede, ifana menyano. Sis kitchen. Ipagani yede, ifana menyano. Sis kitchen. Salad yede.
The fish is perfectly cooked. I will take it off from the stew and add it later so it doesn't disintegrate.
Ipagani papa, ifana menyano. Ipagani yede, ifana menyano.
It's time to add the parboiled meat and the crab. Give it a stir to infuse the stew.
So sweet. Yeah. Sis kitchen, yeah.
The remaining ingredients to go into the stew are the cooked eggplant and the okra. Then our stew is all done.
Ifana menyano. Yeah. Sweet aroma. Delicious. This your salad. It tastes so sweet.
Just check out the goodness. Oh my days! I can't wait to dig in. Lovelies, you are all virtually invited.
Sis kitchen. Ipagani yede, ifana menyano. Sis kitchen. Ipagani papa.
I hope you enjoyed the cooking today. And if you are still here with me, your love is never overlooked. Thank you so much for your time. and hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe, God bless you, and bye for now.
Yummy, yummy. Darkness music. Let's go.